Hi, this is Muhammad Walisha. Welcome to my channel. In this session, I am going to teach you an amazing trick with which you can divide any number by 7 up to 6 decimals within no time. Before going to the topic, let me tell you something. A great quotation. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Yes, obviously. If you want to achieve something, don't simply think and think and think and think continuously. Thinking alone achieves nothing. If you want to achieve something, if you think what you are going to do is right, just start working. You will be definitely successful. Yes, you will be definitely successful. Without wasting your valuable time, let us get into the session. Before that, a small request. Watch the video till the end for better understanding. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed so far. Click on bell icon to get new notifications. And for more interesting videos like this, click on I button. Now let us start. Division with 7. Let us start with 1 by 7. 1 by 7. To divide 1 by 7, we will write 0.7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, 7 8s are 56 plus 1, 57. Thereafter, the numbers will be repeated. Same numbers will be repeated. So, we put a bar here. That means these 6 digits will be repeated. This is non-terminating repeating decimal. For this division with 7, we have to remember this. Particularly this one you have to remember. And there are 6 digits. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 and 7. Out of these 6 digits, let us write in ascending order. So, first smallest 1, second smallest digit 2, third smallest 4, then 5, then 7, then 8. So, this is a ascending order of the digits we find in this bar. Okay, now to find 2 by 7, that means dividing 2 by 7. You have to do nothing. Here 2 is less than 7, therefore we write 0 point. Now here it is 2. Let us see what is the second smallest thing. Here it is 2. We are looking for second smallest thing, digit. So, second smallest digit here is 2. So, in this we start with 2, 8, 5, 7. 2, 8, 5, 7. Then come to the beginning. 1, 4. So, this is also non-terminating repeating decimal. Now, 3 by 7, dividing 3 by 7. You might have found the trick so far. Now, third smallest digit is 4. So, let us start with 4. We have to take this as criteria. This is the base. So, let us start 0 point. Why 0? Because 3 is less than 7, so we write 0, 0.4285 and come to the starting point, 1 bar. Now, 4 by 7, 0 point, fourth smallest digit, 5. So, let us start with 5, 7, come to the starting point, 1, 4, 2, 8 under bar. Next, 5 by 7, Now you can speed up. 7. So we have 7 here. Let us start with 7. 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. By 7 is equal to. Since 6 is less than 7, we start with 0.6th smallest integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So we start here. 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. Next, 7 by 7. You know this is equal to 1. Now let us see 8 by 7. How can we write 8 by 7? We can write 8 by 7 as 1 plus 1 by 7. So this is a mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. If we remove this plus, we get 1 by 7. That is mixed fraction, whereas 8 by 7 is improper fraction. We can write improper fraction as mixed fraction, so we can easily answer this. Now we write 1 because 8 is greater than 7. So here 1 comes. So let us write 1 point. What is 1 by 7? 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 bar. Understand? Let us see another. 9 by 7. 9 is greater than 7. So we write 1 plus 2 by 7. Improper and mixed fraction. Now let us write 1 point. 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. You know what is 2 by 7? 2 by 7 I write here. Next, you can write 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7 like that. If to go to bigger numbers, let us take 108. Let us write 108 by 7 is equal to. What is 108 by 7? This is nothing but 15 plus 3 by 7, isn't it? 108 by 7 can be written as 15 plus 3 by 7. So we get 15.428571. Okay. So let us take another number. 771 by 7. We can write 771 as 110 plus 1 by 7. Okay. Now 110.142857. So we can find any kind of the fraction, that is division with 7. We can write any number by 7 within no time. By doing or by practicing these kind of problems, these kind of calculations, we get more confidence and we will be proficient in calculation. Hope you understand the trick. If you find this video useful, please do like it, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.